Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in the general list, of course, we have to localize the security and privacy. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on biometrics and tap on add fingerprints. If you've got the screen lock currently applied, just like I have, you will have to enter it to confirm and then go directly to adding the fingerprint. If you do not have the screen lock, your device will require you to add the screen lock. It is because that if for some reason the secret code the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with a regular screen lock. So this is important. Let me enter it. Here we've got the information about the fingerprint, so just tap on continue and tap on register. So this is our sensor. It is, as you can see, under the screen. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see right now, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Oh, okay. Perfect. We've got it added, so you can add another or simply tap on done. And this is the fingerprint section where we can customize our fingerprint. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it in this section. We can add another fingerprint, so I believe we can add up to 5 different fingerprints. We can check added fingerprints, so if you've got more than one fingerprint, it is quite nice because you simply put the fingers on this sensor and your device will show you which fingerprint it is. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so the fingerprint unlock. You can decide whether you want to have the fingerprint sensor always on, even when the screen is off. You can show icon when the screen is off on the always on display, tap on show never. Really a lot of customization here. Show animation when unlocking, about fingerprints. Really a lot of things to customize. Enough of talking. Let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So, do we have the sensor? Now really it is not visible, but let me... Okay, after tapping it should appear at least. So let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unlocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.